How could you do this to me?
Paano mo nagawa sa akin ito?
Could you please repeat what you just said?
Pwedeng pakiulit ng sinabi mo.
Could I come over?
Pwede ba akong sumama?
Could you give me some medicine?
Pwede mo ba akong bigyan ng gamot?
If he had been there, I could have given him your message.
Kung nandoon sana siya, nasabi ko sana ang gusto mong iparating.
Could you give me a ride to the station?
Pwede mo ba akong ihatid sa estasyon?
Could you please tell me why you love her?
Maari mo bang sabihin sa akin kung bakit mo siya mahal?
She was so angry that she could not speak.
Sa sobrang galit niya ay hindi siya makapagsalita.
Could you please take me back home?
Pwede mo ba akong iuwi?
Could you tell me how to get there?
Pwede mo bang sabihin sa akin kung paano makarating doon?
I could swim well when I was a kid.
Marunong akong lumangoy noong bata pa ako.
I wish you could have come with me.
Sana sumama ka sa akin.
Could you please move out of my way?
Pwede bang umalis ka sa harapan ko?
Could you spare me a few minutes?
Pwede mo ba akong bigyan ng ilang minuto?
Could I see your driver's license?
Pwede ko bang makita ang lisensya mo?
Could you call again later please?
Pwede ka bang tumawag ulit mamaya?
Could you help me wash the dishes?
Pwede mo ba akong tulungan maghugas ng pinggan?
I could scarcely stand on my feet.
Halos hindi ako makatayo sa aking mga paa.